Go sit down. Okay, so we're going to attempt to print our first lower half for a Glock. This is called a P43.1 XR Dragon. I got this. I'm gonna try to print it out. I went through all his settings, and we're slicing it. It says it takes 11 hours and 20 minutes to print it. And we're going to attempt to print it on this little Ender 3 with PLA Plus. So this is going to be our first prototype to give it a shot. So hang in there. We'll come back at you in a few. Okay, so our bed is heating up, but I got it set for 220. I don't know why it's saying 200. But the instructions call for 220. So, really don't have good luck with this Ender 3. This was my project. It was 30 hours, and it just completely, the supports busted it off. So we are going to, oh, now it just jumped to 220. Okay, so we'll see. It's actually taken, it says it's going to be 11 hours and 20 minutes on 100%. And we're not going to do 100%. We're going to start a lot lower. We're going to start the first couple layers about 40. And no fan, because it says it will make it this warp. So we'll see if we can get the first layer put down without having to Z it, but usually we do because, like I said, this Ender, I have nothing but problems with my Enders. I can run my monoprice and never have a bit of trouble, but the Ender gives me trouble every single time. All right. So let's see, it went back up to 100, and I didn't want it to do that. I'm going to turn it back down. There we go. No fan. See if we have to offset. Hopefully not, but, you know. Get the little squigglies there. So I give me the flippy. And if you rely on a BL Touch, don't. Because, man, I've been using this thing and it does not save you. It does not. And of course, it is not laying down a good first layer. So, we'll have to adjust when it goes over to the brim. It rides very close to the edge for some strange odd reason. Got the piece in there. I think it's hot. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Here we go. As you can see, again, we have stringing and hot mess. Alright, so I do not know yet how to do time-lapse for photography for the whole thing, so I will check back in a little bit and let you know how far it's progressed.